doing?
My little brother's playing Destiny on Xbox 360. Say hi, Lucas. He's doing a pretty good job on my profile. But you need to aim. What level are you?
Hold on.
A 13. Nice. Right there, he's a 13. It's maybe short because it's my first YouTube video. So yeah, please comment, subscribe, and make sure to leave a like. Please, my first YouTube video, and we'll see you next time. Peace!